All right, let's talk about some Opendoor, and we got to get right to it because I really have never seen something as bullish as what I'm about to show you on this, man. Look at this. All right, so this is the option chain for Opendoor and the option statistics. Now, I own Opendoor. I actually own 24 calls, 24 leap calls, so I'm in pretty heavy with that. And I don't know what made me check down here, but I looked at the put call ratio on this thing, and you could see it's trading 0.058. Now, if I do the math on that, we can actually look at the calls. The calls traded was 43,767 versus only 2,559 puts. So let's do the math on that because this is so much offsides. I can't even figure it out in my head. So 43,768, and we divide that by the puts, which is 2,559. That's trading 17 to 1. 17 to 1 for every one put traded. That's 17 calls. That is insane. That's insane. That's hugely bullish. Let's look at this. All right, so here is the calls traded at the bid, traded at the ask, right? This is whatever. These are the basically the calls traded at the ask price is generally the higher price, right? And people are trading there. They basically saying, "Give me." They hit the ask, right? Saying 35% of the calls traded at the ask is being bought or being traded. I'm gonna say versus the ones at the puts. The ones being on the bid, 29%, meaning most likely you're buying these, right? You're buying these. So 35%, if you look at the put side, it's just kind of opposite, right? So the bid is the lower price and the ask kind of would be the higher price typically. And you can see 40% is traded at the bid, meaning those are being sold. And when you sell puts, it's a bullish trade, right? It's a bullish trade. When you buy puts, that's the bearish trade. So the people buying puts, if you're buying, you're probably going to get closer to the ask price, and that's only 17%, right? Because you're buying what someone is willing to sell it for. If that makes sense. I still get confused on all of that, but this is insane, being traded 17 to 1. So now let's look at the chart and see what's going on here. I got the weeklies up. I say this on every video. If you really want to know where the stock price is going, pull up your weeklies. All right, so I drew two channels here, right? Because this thing has been traded, it's up and down, right? I could just draw a simple V, right? It's up, it's down. But for the most part, as it goes up, it trades in a channel. And then coming down, it traded in a channel. I can get rid of this one, and let's get rid of this one right here. All right, so it's easy to see, right? This downside was crazy. But now you can see the breakout, and maybe if we just kind of follow the path, I don't know, maybe I'm going to say something like that, right? Because that's about the same width, right? It's been trading, so now we're kind of hitting the upside. So maybe up, down, but basically a higher channel, a higher, higher. How about that? The stock is going higher. And where could it go? I just kind of draw a line at the top, things like the double top. I'm not saying it's going way over there. I don't know, but there's my start. I could sit here and really zoom into this thing with the, and find all the support and resistance levels. They all over the place, but, that call action, I have to look at it, man. Gosh, this is really insane. 44,000 calls, only 2,000 puts. People are getting down on the calls. You can see my positions. I got Peloton, Booking, Amazon, and Open. You can see my 24 calls, and right now it's up $960 for the day on that position. I'm up $850. So if it wasn't for this, I'll probably be down. And Amazon's up, Booking's down. Booking, I still like Booking, but it just hasn't been working out for me anyway. And little small Peloton position. Anyway, Opendoor, what do you think? Are you in it? Is this, what does this mean? What does it mean? It means, I guess, it's going higher. You just got to take that little tidbit, what we talked about, as, it's not necessarily, we all could be wrong, right? A lot of times I'm actually scared when everybody's on this side of the boat, you actually want to go on this side of the boat. So but that's so offsides. Does someone know something, right? Just makes you just go, Opendoor, 17-1 on the calls. Anyway, just something to think about, man. Keep an eye on this stock. Let's see what that trading action means. What's going to happen in the future. It's saying it's going to go up, but who knows? Who knows? Thanks for watching. This is Dre Trades. Like this video, subscribe, thumbs up, share, all of that. I'm on Twitter and Instagram as Dre Trades, and I'm out. Peace.